Good morning, YouTube world. Uh, this is going to be our next project. It's, believe a 95. Let's see. It is, yeah, 95 Honda Civic LX. We are going to put a B20 on this thing. So we're going to pull the swap out, change it to a B20. And then convert it to Integra rear, front and rear disc brakes. So this should be a fun little project. Should take me about a couple days or so. So yeah, let's get going. All right, folks. Yeah, I kind of work without stopping to film. Sorry. But anyways, this motor or engine is ready to go out. The only thing holding it is the two mounts. As you can see, it'll rock back and forth. Just this and that mount over there. Fuel line, exhaust, axles are out. Throttle cable. Yeah, so everything's pretty much out. It is getting close to lunchtime, so let me go grab some lunch and probably wait till my kid is home so he can help me pull this out. So he can lift while I guide, or he guide while I lift, so that way we don't scratch. I have a pet peeve for scratching these. So yeah, so stay tuned. Be right back. That's the engine's out. It's right here. Now we gotta transfer the wiring harness. I might rob some sensors because there's some broken sensors on the B20. But other than that, let's go transfer the wiring harness and keep going. All right, guys, got everything wired up. Injector wires right there. O2 sensor has been lengthened, so now I can plug in down there. Put a new air oil filter on it. This is for the purge solenoid for the evap. I usually wait till I got the engine in the car because the sensors being back here, it could get banged around and broken. And actually, let me unplug. This sensor's tight. And I usually leave that unplugged so it doesn't try to end up breaking it. So I will end the video here. Stay tuned. So when I put it in, one reason is I'm waiting for my buddy to bring me the timing belt water pump for this car or this engine. And it's a lot easier to do it when it's on the ground rather than when it's in the car. So he should be able to get it to me within a day or so. So I'll end it here. Stay tuned. On the next video, we'll be putting this in the car, making it run. We're also going to switch the brakes. We're also putting GSR brakes in this car. All right, till next time.